So to invest in index funds, the first step is to click the hand lens on the upper right corner of the screen and then search the name or symbol. So there are two ways. The one is in in US dollars, and the another one is in Canadian dollars. So in US dollars, just search SPY, SPY, then click it. So SPY, it is the same as the S&P 500. If the S&P 500 goes up by 10%, SPY will go up by 10% also. On the other hand, if the S&P 500 goes down by 10%, SPY will go down by 10%. So it just copies the S&P 500. S&P 500 is the average of the 500 largest companies in the United States. So if you invest in SPY, you're investing into the 500 largest companies in United States. And so to buy it, just click buy. Next, and then how many shares? One share is 318 US dollars. So yeah, that's what SPY is. Now, if $300 is too expensive for you and you want to buy a Canadian um, in Canadian dollars instead, the alternative is XUU. So XUU, then select it. So XUU is it also copies the S&P 500 returns. So we're going to Google S&P 500. As you can see today, the S&P 500 goes up by 1.34%, and XUU today has gone up also by 1.47%. So it's almost the same as the S&P 500. So as you can see here, the last 5 years on the S&P 500, the S&P 500 goes up by 50% in the last 5 years. Then what about XUU? It's 51.96%. So XUU also copies the returns of the S&P 500. The only difference is that this is in Canadian dollars. And so to buy it, just click buy. Next. So one share right now is $32.50. If you want to invest $100 a month in the index funds, just buy like 3 shares. So index funds is very helpful if you don't want to do any research and if you don't want to invest in individual stocks, because index funds like this, it's combination of the largest 500 companies in the United States. So just click 3. So I'm going to show you like if you want to invest $100 like a month or every 2 months or every week, depends on you. So just buy 3 shares of XUU. So yeah, that's how you invest in index funds. If you have any question, just comment in the comment section,